Serious Money is an incredible book. I don't agree with everything the author said, especially when he mentioned needing a fallback plan to succeed. Yet, aside from this disagreement, I really agree with him on the vital behaviors that could build your wealth from nothing if you truly apply them, and here are my top 5. The first trait is getting to know yourself. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses is pivotal to success. Consider 2 groups: those aware of their strengths and weaknesses and those who deny or lack self-awareness. Which group is likely to have the majority of its members succeeding? Obviously, the group with self-awareness has a higher success rate. Due to this awareness, they'll be able to capitalize on strengths and defend their weaknesses. Hence, you need to be honest about your identity. Find ways and means to capitalize on your strengths, transform weaknesses into strengths if possible, and be mindful of self-deception because it is the leading cause of failure and poverty. The second trait emphasizes looking for opportunities all around you. Do you seriously want to become wealthy? Then start looking for opportunities because they are abundant around you. Our modern age is filled with so many opportunities to make you financially independent, but seizing these opportunities requires the right mindset and skill set. So, devote yourself to finding the right opportunities for yourself, acquiring the needed knowledge and skills, and strategically positioning yourself in ways that will make you succeed. The third trait delves into developing your self-esteem. Those with higher self-esteem attract more opportunities. Winners in life typically exhibit high self-esteem, which is a magnetic quality, while losers exhibit low self-esteem. Denying this will do you no good, because with well-developed self-esteem, others perceive you, making you more appealing for opportunities. So, how do you build high self-esteem? The key lies in excelling in what you do, which will foster belief in your capabilities and finally build your self-confidence. The fourth trait is about respect and avoiding arrogance. Success can sometimes lead to ego and pride, but maintaining respect for everyone is crucial. Extend help to the less fortunate. Treat all individuals with courtesy and charm irrespective of their social status, and be careful around friends who treat everyone they feel they're better than harshly. Otherwise, their behavior will rub off on you. Most importantly, avoid the pitfall of arrogance. Once arrogance sets in, you lose respect, and that will be the beginning of the end to your success. Arrogance requires adverting. Confidence speaks for itself. The fifth trait is understanding risk. Taking risks is very important for building wealth, especially from nothing, but not all risks should be taken. Some poorly calculated risks can undermine success severely. First, assess both the upside and downside before taking risks to ensure a high level of success. Blindly following advice from non-experts, like investing based on a family member's suggestion without evaluating the downside, could cause you to lose all your hard-earned money. On the path to becoming successful, risk-taking is inevitable. Yet if the outcome would be disastrous, taking the risk is an unaffordable gamble. Evaluate risk wisely and seek expert advice when necessary before proceeding. In summary, getting to know yourself, finding opportunities, developing high self-esteem, showing respect, and carefully assessing risks is the blueprint for success. These insights are from Barrie Pearson's book, Serious Money: How to Make and Enjoy It. This is a must-read book on your journey to financial freedom. But remember, don't just read, learn by practicing what you've read. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.